Welcome to the show here tonight. This is what you call clever and style. Model of the Year, brought to you by Aaj Ki Delhi and IIFT. I'm sending the microphone to you, boys. I'm sending the microphone on stage.
Myself, Gaurav Grover from Panipat, Haryana. I am doing apparel merchandising from IIFT. I am traveling from Panipat to Delhi regular because I have no PG here, so I love my mom and dad, so I want to live with them. So I travel regular.
Good evening everyone. Myself Sonu Verma. I am from Faridabad and I am doing civil engineering and my hobby playing cricket, gymming and modeling. And I also want to become a good model and actor. And आज की दिल्ली और IIFT को मैं शुक्रिया करना चाहता हूँ मुझे आज यहाँ पर पार्टिसिपेट करने का मौका मिला.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Aryan Mehrotra. I'm a senior business analyst with the MNC Bank and talk about my dream of setting up a beautiful child home, a biggest child home in India for the relinquished children who are on streets, the orphan children who have who have nowhere to really look at. And modeling has been my passion, and hence it has been absolute pleasure being at this place, wherein the two stalwarts like Aaj Ki Delhi and IIFT have really come together for a spectacular show. It's been an absolute pleasure being in front of you, wonderful audience, and lovely.
To all of you, my name is Amit Diya. I am a student. I love to do traveling and bike riding. I am very passionate about modeling and I want to become a supermodel. I am here because of two reasons. Because first of all, I want to win the show, and secondly to show the peoples that who I am.
Hello everyone, my name is Sahil Kapoor, belong to city of Taj. My height is 6 feet. Currently, I'm working in a Bank of America. My hobbies are playing games on PCs, listening music and modeling. And I'm here because I want to become a successful model. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much for listening.
My name is Rizwan Khan. I'm from Delhi. I just want to become a supermodel and actor. For that I'm here, and I would like to thanks IIFT and Aaj Ke Delhi who gave me a beautiful chance to show my talent to you all. And thank you so much.
Everyone and the respected jury members. My name is Manish Saini, contestant number 7. I am from Faridabad. I am doing apparel merchandising from IIFT, and my hobbies are playing football, gymming and modeling. And I am participating in the Aaj Ki Delhi show because I love to do modeling, and I hope through this stage I want to rock in my modeling career, and I hope in the future I am becoming a successful model.
Good evening everyone. My name is Jishan Khan. I'm from Delhi. I want to become a model. And thank you for participating in Aaj Ki Delhi and IIFT. Thank you so much.
Good evening, judges. First of all, I want to thank IIFT and Mr. Yograj who give me this great opportunity to introduce myself among of you all. Hi, this is Shubham Garg, standing before you, 6 feet 4 inch tall boy who is fun-loving and damn serious about my profession. As far as my studies are concerned, I pursued my BCom specialized in foreign trade. My hobbies are playing football and listening soft music. Thank you.
Alegria
For the first time, we would want you, judges and ladies and gentlemen, to take a very close look at the contestants. क्योंकि इतना समय तो नहीं होगा, मगर एक बार इनको मौका देना चाहिए to speak in front of you, introduce themselves, and have a very close look. Because after that, they'll all be here for the fashion rounds and the Bollywood rounds. DJ, roll. एक बार जोरदार तालियां जरूर बजाते रहिए. It'll encourage them because many of them are hitting stage for the first time.
Basically from Delhi, and I'm pursuing my fashion designing from the leading institute IIFT, and I love to do modeling, so here's a chance I got from Aaj Ki Delhi and IIFT, and I'm very thankful for both.
My name is Lovejoy Kaur. I'm doing fashion design from IIFT Narayana Center. Thank you Aaj Ki Delhi and IIFT for this opportunity for modeling.
Sat Shri Akal and good evening to my all jury members. I'm Shrishti Vimal and I'm doing fashion designing from IIFT, and simply मुझे एक अच्छा डिज़ाइनर बनना है और मैं फन लविंग गर्ल हूँ, एंड मैं थैंक यू करना चाहती हूँ IIFT एंड आज की दिल्ली मॉडल ऑफ द ईयर को, जो जिसने मुझे यहाँ पे इतना अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म.
And good evening everyone. Welcome to jury members. My name is Swapnil Vijay. I am doing fashion designing from YWCA. I want to become a best designer, and my hobbies is singing, music, reading and printing.
Good afternoon to all, very good evening to all my jury members and people here. Myself Ghazal Dalmia. I'm a student of International Institute of Fashion Technology. Currently I'm pursuing post-graduation. My hobbies are listening to music, dancing and art and craft. If I talk about seeing myself in the next 5 years, I would like to see myself as a successful entrepreneur and an apparel merchandiser. Lastly, I would like to thank Aaj Ki Delhi and International Institute of Fashion Technology for giving us this platform and for their moral and support.
Hello everyone, this side Mehakpreet Kaur Nureja. I am from Ludhiana. I am a print model and just started my career into ramp modeling. I am here to showcase myself and to seek a better career for me here on the ramp. Thank you Aaj Ki Delhi and IIFT for giving me such a beautiful.
My name is Karishma Bagolia and I am student of IIFT in Narayana. और मैं IIFT और आज की दिल्ली को बहुत हैप्पीली बोलना चाहती हूँ कि मुझे ये प्लेटफॉर्म देने के लिए.
Good evening everyone. My name is Soumya. I'm from Delhi. I'm here just to pursue my career in modeling, and this is my very first opportunity to present myself, and for this I'm very thankful to Ashtak Delhi and IIFT Delhi for giving me this opportunity. And in my life, whatever I do, being a girl, I want to make my parents feel pleasure and proud of whatever I am, either successful or not, but I want to make them very proudful of myself. Thank you so much.
I myself Harman Kaur. I am a Delhiite. My aim is to become a famous fashion designer, and I am very thankful to IIFT and Aaj Ki Delhi.
Adab and Sasyakar. Hello to everyone and warm welcome to the jury members. My name is Shitu Razdan and I am a contestant number 10. Here I am representing the model of the year Aaj Ki Delhi and sponsored by IIFT. Modeling is my passion, my aim and my dream. I am from the crown of our India, that is Kashmir. I'm from there and I would like to thanks to Aaj Ki Delhi for giving me such a great platform to represent me, to enhance my beauty and my state. Thank you all of you.
Hello everyone, this is Dimple Gupta doing BSc in Fashion stream from IIFT Narayana. I would like to thank my teachers and faculties as well as my friends. Now I am here to get the knowledge of modeling, as all fashion designers should know how the models do. So I am here participating in this Aaj Ki model competition just because of this aim. And I want to be a famous designer, as well as hopefully I may become a model also. And at last I would again love to thank my faculty IIFT and as well as Aaj Ki Delhi 2015. Thanks a lot. Good evening.
Very good evening one and all. Myself Manisha Kalra, pursuing fashion designing from IFT Narayana. My aim is to become the topmost fashion designer of the world. I am here because it was my dream to experience the life of the model. Last but not the least, I would like to thank Aaj Ki Delhi Model of the Year and IFT for their support.
Hello everybody, my name is Nalakshi and I am doing fashion designing from Narayana, from IFT Narayana Center, and I like listening music, acting and designing, and thank you so much Aaj Ki Delhi.
Very warm and pleasant good evening to everyone. Hi, I'm Sarika Bharadwaj. I'm basically from the city of Nawab, Lucknow. I'm pursuing BCom second year. My age is 22. My hobbies are listening music, watching cartoons and reading novel. My passion is modeling and swimming. I believe in nothing is impossible in this world. Thank you for this lovely show, IIFT and Model of the Year.
Hello everybody, I am Mamta. I reside at Delhi Kent. I belong from Uttarakhand. My strength is I am creative and I am amiable. Thanks for Aaj Ki Delhi Model of the Year.
Thanks everyone. I'm from IFT Narayana and मैं IFT नारायण से फैशन डिज़ाइनिंग फर्स्ट ईयर में हूँ और मैं इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे आके बहुत खुश हूँ और दिस इज़ माय फर्स्ट चांस टू डू दिस एंड थैंक यू ऑल ऑन.
Good evening, judges. This is Poonam. I'm doing modeling. I want to become a supermodel. I participate because this platform giving a chance to reach our goal. And from bottom of my heart, I'm saying thanks to IFT and Aaj Ki Delhi Model of the Year. Thank you so much.
Good evening, judges, ladies and gentlemen. मेरा नाम दीपिका भट्ट है. मैं अल्मोड़ा उत्तराखंड से बिलोंग करती हूँ. मेरी हॉबीज़ है डांसिंग एंड ट्रैकिंग एंड एक्टिंग और मैं सैफ्ट से फैशन डिज़ाइनिंग कर रही हूँ. मेरा एम है कि मैं एक अच्छी मॉडल बनूं और मुझे यहाँ पे आके बहुत अच्छी फीलिंग आ रही है कि मैं एक प्लेटफॉर्म में खड़ी हूँ, एक अच्छे रैंप में खड़ी हूँ और मैं थैंक यू बोलना चाहती हूँ आज की दिल्ली मॉडल ऑफ द ईयर और IIFT.